Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can subscribe on Twitch. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is open whatever channel you want, and right when you have it, you're gonna see right to the next turn notifications off, subscribe, and here you can tier 1 subscription, pick your subscribe, or you can gift sub. So when you're gonna click subscribe, you have many options through the change payment method through PayPal, etc. So again, subscribe right here, and here you go, tier 1 subscription, or tier 2, or tier 3. So that's up to you. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask in down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it works, you know how it goes. Thank you very much everybody, and yeah, have a great day and goodbye.